Well, I hope 2023 has gotten off to a roaring start for you, like it has for Medametheus. Even with my extensive experience in the pharmaceutical industry with all types and sizes of companies, from biopharm to biotech to farm, from therapeutics to diagnostics, the learning opportunities just keep coming and coming. And as I reflect back on the busy beginnings of Medametheus, I'm proud of what we've been able to accomplish. We completed a business development project for a startup consulting company in Canada, and we just wrapped up a focus group project for a startup technology company here in the United States. And working with these two startup projects, it reminded me of my professional roots, which was a startup boutique long-term care consulting company out of Chesapeake, Virginia, back in 1995. So there you have it, I've dated myself. But that comes with experience too. So when I reflect back on those startup experiences back then and even up until now, the startup environment provides an exciting or perhaps even nerve-wracking blend of chaos and commitment, underpinned by a humble and flexible work ethic. So if you're a startup organization of any size or any type, and you're short on people, or you're maybe short on ideas, or you just don't know what the next steps are for you, ignite the dialogue with Medametheus. We can help.